bad.
Points. You're going to hate it.
Not bad.
Like in red. Okay. Aaron, this is my first time ever doing this. Aaron, you got 6 points. I've got 9. Hey, buddy. Okay. Thank you, bro. Okay, Aaron. You're my best friend. I always do this. Yep. I want to come visit when it's this time. You do that at party? No, just for work and for You're talking about me being bad and missing all that. Oh yeah, I was bad doing the hell. You missed too.
Don't clown around just because the camera's on you. You got something in here?
Oh, and Anthony. Let's get serious, Anthony. Is there any girls in there? Oh, was that serious? That was seriously perfect?
Yeah, you're perfect for the girl. Go ahead.
Hey, I'm a girl. Uh-huh. No! I'm going to put the hair on you.
Okay, shoot.
I'm not going to do it if you don't do it.
There you go.
Well, at least I hit it, Aaron. Well, not the first time, Anthony.
Get your,
It's my turn.
This went way off. This went way off to the side, Anthony. One of yours did.
Okay, Aaron. You go. I go.
Wait.
I'm not going.
I know, but wait. That way nobody accidentally gets stuck.
You know if you fall, that goes right through your face, you die, right? It's like I told you yesterday, stop